The Tirso Valley Wildlife Protection Society announced the arrival of the Amur falcons in the Tirso area, particularly in Umru village, Riboy district. Chairman of TVWPS, Rogensten, made the announcement in the presence of members of the society. Speaking to the media, Sten invited the people of Meghalaya and visitors from other regions to come and witness the flocks of these remarkable birds. The Amur falcons, migrating from Siberia to South Africa, make a temporary stopover in the village from mid-October to November before continuing their journey.
Jam tahu senam, anak lem jangka Bali White Protection Society. Nila dan talang hangne, bat ka ister di koi tursin. Bali pulung, dia kan festival untuk senam. Kaji juga kalau, kalau tersau beli, kami bersak kang haju, kita bila kami kai, kapal janwit, untuk lawan persau beje. Natamun setiap orang persau beje. Ikut juga itu sebab lebih, but jerbat kalau bagi mereka hidup tentang lagi, but jadi tak lebih sobha nak kita lagi.